Alright, hello YouTube authors, BH Blankenship here, dropping a quick video about probably one of the most important tools in a writer's arsenal. It's definitely multifunctional, helps with when you got pressure from deadlines, when you're feeling down, you just kind of need just a good pickup. That, my friends, yes, carafe of good hot coffee. And yeah, let's see. Of course, works best whenever portioned out into a mug. And that has been another quick, very important writer's tip. BH Blankenship, signing out.